Om Ganeshaya Namaha, Om Bhagavan Shri Satyasabhavaya Namaha, Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Shanisharaya Namaha. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube family. My name is astrologer Dr. Sai Subhash. There is some good news that I am going to share with you, and it is regarding the solar eclipse that is going to happen on June 21st, 2020. Most of the thing that will happen due to this solar eclipse will be positive, especially for the whole world. This will have a great impact. Why? The reason is that, as you know, that on 26th December 2019, when the coronavirus started, that time solar eclipse happened. Exactly on 26th of December 2019, 6 planets was in the Sagittarius moon sign, and Rahu was opposite to that. And you know that there is a strong connection between the Rahu, Sun and Moon whenever a eclipse happens. So, due to that 6 planets, Sun, Moon, Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn and Ketu was together in the Sagittarius, the impact was negative, as there are many videos telling about it later. But now, what is the difference between that solar eclipse and this solar eclipse? Because solar eclipse is a very common thing, it happens every time. But it is not common that 6 planets stay in one moon sign. And now, again on 21st of June 2020, when the solar eclipse is going to happen, that time 4 planets will be in Gemini, and the solar eclipse will have major impact on the Gemini moon sign. Why? The reason is that Rahu, Sun, Moon and Mercury is going to be there in the Gemini moon sign this time. Earlier it was in the opposite direction, now it is in the opposite direction. So the impact would be different, and it would be the end of the coronavirus cycle. Means from this time the things will go down, the graph will go down. So basically I am not going to discuss about the coronavirus in this video. I am going to upload after this video the end of the coronavirus, when it is going to end, and I am 100% sure that it is going to end as per that prediction. So I would request you to check that video. And also one important thing, whenever solar eclipse happened in past also, and at the same time when Saturn and Pluto was together, and this type of combination has formed in the universe, then there has been a major disaster, calamities that happened. So in this year also, from 21st of June to 21st of September, there will be calamities like tsunami, floods, heavy flood, non-normal flood, then uncertain things will happen, disaster to the economy, and also world-like situation. So the world-like situation with the neighboring countries will happen for most of the countries. So this type of combination of Saturn and Pluto that happened in the past also, like the 9/11, like 1984 AIDS when it was discovered, in the First World War, during the First World War it was there in 1916. Then again in 1947, when India and Pakistan has a partition exactly on the 15th of August, this type of combination was also there. So although it will have a positive effect also, it will be the start of the slowdown of coronavirus also. So now the solar eclipse that is going to happen on June 21st 2020, as per the Indian Standard Time, it will start from 9:15 AM and it would be till 3 o'clock and 4 minutes PM. At that time, mostly as per your birth chart, you need to check what are the position of the planets, especially Sun, Moon, Rahu is in your horoscope. So whenever you have a Rahu Mahadasha, Sun Mahadasha, Moon Mahadasha or any Antardasha of Rahu or Ketu gives you more negative. So if it is seen from your horoscope that Rahu is weak or Sun is weak or Moon is weak, then it is going to affect you more. But still we cannot go against the planets. That's why we can still do from our side. Suppose some heavy wind is coming, and at that time you need to stay inside the room, you cannot go outside. In the same way, in this solar eclipse you need to stay at home to avoid the sunlight. It's because the sunlight will have a negative radiation at that time, and if it comes to your body contact, then it will have some negative effect. So 12 hours before you should not take any food. So from June 20th, 12 hours before means around 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time. After that you should not take any food. And in the morning of June 21st, before the solar eclipse starts, you should take the bath and also offer water to Lord Surya and pray to him that to give good blessings and doesn't affect any way to you. Whatever the moon sign, I'm not making this video based on the moon sign, because although there is a effect based on the moon sign and an ascendant, but that is a different thing, that is a different perspective. But for everyone in general, whatever the eclipse, it affects us. Suppose the lunar eclipse, it affects us mentally. For the sun eclipse, solar eclipse, it also affects us in a different way, in terms of health, career, business, loss of money, many things happens. So it is very common that it happens in every years 2 times. So you should not be fear of that, what I'm going to say. First of all, you need to take bath and offer water to Lord Surya. Then during that solar eclipse time, you just check as per your position of the location where you are staying. The timing will be different. If you are staying in some other state, that if you are staying in some other state, that timing will be different. Maybe it's 9, not 9, it's maybe 10 a.m. also. Just check it. If it is for US, the timing will totally be changed. So you need to check the time, at what time the solar eclipse is going to have in your place and when it is the peak time. During the peak time, you should always chant the Gayatri Mantra, Surya Gayatri Mantra, Surya Bij Mantra, and if possible also chant the Mahamrityunjaya Mantra and the Moon Gayatri Mantra. It will give you boost. If you are praying to God, praying to planets to have the blessings, then the effects of the mantra is 100 times more than you do usually. In this time, if you are doing any types of mantra chanting, then you will get more 100 times better benefit than the normal time. And also, you should not take any water during this time, especially for the pregnant women. They should take special care. They should not go outside. They should avoid going to washroom also, avoid taking food. If in case it requires, then you should take, but take very light food like juice, fruits only, not any cooked food. Cooked food is totally, you cannot take. You should avoid that totally. Now, for the old citizen also, it is applicable the same. You should not use the washroom. If it is necessary, then only you should take. And 12 hours before, you should not take any food. So this is about the solar eclipse that is going to happen on June 21st. I hope this video will be helpful to you. So, and if you want to know more about it, then you can comment in my YouTube inbox. I will definitely reply you before 21st of June. I would request you to share this video with your friends. Request you to subscribe to my channel for future notifications. Like the videos. Stay happy, stay fit. Thank you.